my god. I'm kind of twisting it and going underneath it. The reason I use this kind of bigger container. Alright guys, this is Travis here, and today I'm making my simple sourdough starter bread recipe, and it's just a recipe that I use a lot that works for me. It's really easy, and it's really adaptable too. You can adjust it however you want to, and it's really a perfect bread for someone that's just starting to get into sourdough. They maybe haven't done it before. If you don't have a sourdough starter yet, or a mother, that's what it looks like. You'll need to get one, and this is something that you could get from a friend, or someone can send you some of the starter, and you just need a little teaspoon. But this is just a mixture of water and flour, and over time it's sat outside for a week or so, and natural yeast falls into it, and as a result, over time it grows and it becomes a starter, and it's a natural leaven for making sourdough bread. So it's all completely 100% natural. A lot of people do use these little packets like instant yeast, and I still use this once in a while for pizzas and for breads too, but this and this are not the same thing. This is full of so much nutrients, and the fermentation really makes this special. This is not the same. This is really doesn't contain that much that's going to help you to be healthier or help the bread to taste better. But this, on the other side, on the other hand, will, and it's really special.
Baby, I've been using for the rest of my life.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my apron on. So this apron I got as a gift from my friend Kathy in Buffalo. She was a tango student of mine and friend, and really great person. And during COVID, she sent me this in the mail. She started sewing and designed this, and it's really great. And it's I love wearing it. It has pockets in it, and it's really well designed, and it's really adjustable, and it's one of the best aprons that I've found. So I enjoy cooking this. Okay, the very important first step in sourdough making. We have some flour, we have a little bit of rye flour, we have some whole wheat flour, some maple syrup, coffee or tea or whatever your drink, salt. This bowl is just to test the starter. So we're going to test this, and this is one of the most important parts to make sure that your sourdough starter is ready to go. Underneath it, and as I'm doing that, more and more bigger containers, because I want to make sure that there is a certain amount of time where it can overproof.